alrededor. I'm here to teach you a new letter. Una letra nueva. La letra D. D mayúscula. D minúscula. Let's write la letra D. We'll start with the uppercase, la D mayúscula. We start at the top, down, back up, and around. D. Now let's write the lowercase d, la letra D minúscula. Start at the top, down, and go around. D. Estupendo. Now let's come up with words that start with D. Diamante. Repite, diamante. El diamante es muy brilloso. It's very shiny, brilloso. Dinosaurio. Repite, dinosaurio. How many syllables are in the word dinosaurio? Let's find out. All we have to do is clap. Dinosaurio. We clapped and opened our mouth 4 times. Dinosaurio. Delfín. Repite. Delfín. Where do they live? En el océano. El delfín vive en el océano. Muy bien. Doctor. Repite. Doctor. If it's a boy, we say doctor. And if it's a girl, we say Doctora. Now, can you come up with any words that start with de in Spanish? Look around your house and see what you can find. And if you haven't tried it yet, ask your parents to download Spanish Safari, the app. It'll help you practice Spanish right along Arturo and all of his friends. I hope to see you again soon. Adios.